Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to discuss Chain of Things, CoT. Don't skip this video, and let's jump right into the discussion. CoT stands for Chain of Thought. It is a powerful prompting and reasoning technique used in artificial intelligence, especially with large language models, LLMs, to help the AI solve complex, multi-step problems more accurately. Instead of jumping straight from a question to an answer, CoT encourages or forces the AI to break the problem down into a sequence of intermediate, logical steps. Think of it as the AI equivalent of a math teacher telling you to show your work, instead of just writing down the final number. To understand chain of thought, it helps to see how standard AI prompting compares to CoT prompting. 1. Standard prompting. Input: a cafeteria had 23 apples. If they used 20 to make lunch and bought 6 more, how many apples do they have? AI output: they have 9 apples. The risk: for highly complex logic, math, or coding, the AI might make a sudden calculation error or hallucinate the final answer because it's trying to predict the response all at once. 2. Chain of thought, CoT. Prompting input: a cafeteria had 23 apples. If they used 20 to make lunch and bought 6 more, how many apples do they have? Let's think step by step. AI output: 1. The cafeteria started with 23 apples. 2. They used 20 for lunch, so they had $23 minus 20 equals $3 apples left. 3. Then they bought 6 more apples, so they now have $3 plus 6 equals $9 apples. 4. The answer is 9. Why is CoT important? Massively improves accuracy. By breaking down a problem, the model allocates more computation, thinking time, to each part of the puzzle. This drastically reduces errors in math, logic, common sense reasoning, and coding. Transparency and debugging. Because the AI details its reasoning path, you can read exactly where its logic succeeded or failed. If it makes a mistake, you can see the precise step where it went off the rails. Handles complexity. It allows models to tackle intricate tasks, like legal analysis, medical diagnostics, or multi-layered programming bugs, that require a structured approach. Zero-shot CoT. This occurs when a user simply adds a phrase like, "let's think step by step," or "explain your reasoning line by line," to their prompt. This simple trigger unlocks the model's latent ability to decompose tasks on the fly. Few-shot CoT. This is used by developers. They provide the AI with a few examples of a question and the step-by-step reasoning breakdown leading to the correct answer. The AI learns the pattern and applies that same rigorous, step-by-step methodology to the new question the user asks. The modern AI evolution, greater than many of the latest, advanced AI models now have CoT hard-coded into their architecture. When you ask them a tough question, they will automatically spin up a hidden or visible thinking process to map out the logic before generating their final response to you.